as the foundation of human survival and development. Marine environment is now facing unprecedented pressure with the development and utilization of marine resources throughout the human history. As the industrial leader in the marine environmental field, Sunrui is taking the responsibility and committed to improving the marine environment through technology and innovation. Staying true to the founding mission. Affiliated to the China State Shipbuilding Corporation (CSSC), Sunrui Marine Environment Engineering Company Limited always stays the same to its original aspiration ever since its inception. For several decades, the company has been dedicated in becoming a global leader in the field of marine environmental solutions and has grown into a world-famous high-tech company in the fields of corrosion control, water treatment and gas treatment, etc. Based in Qingdao, covering the world, Sunrui is leading the industry with its core technologies, consolidating strength, sharing with no boundaries. The company is empowering marine environmental protection technology with multi-dimensional extension and unlimited power of development. Cornerstone of the country, mainstay of the industry. Since the 1960s, as the earliest institution engaged in corrosion control research in China, the company has compiled 80% of the national standards and military standards and is now representing China's highest technology level in the corrosion control industry. Relying on the sole national laboratory for corrosion research in China, the company has internationally advanced scientific research strength. With more than 40 years of experience in EPC, the company has completed more than 2,000 large-scale anti-corrosion projects, including marine engineering, petrochemical, and municipal engineering projects, etc., both domestically and internationally, and occupied more than 40% of the market share as the industrial leader. Since the 1980s, the company has been committed to solving the problem of marine biofouling as the first company in China that applied electrolytic chlorine production technology to the fields of nuclear power and thermal power. The company has occupied 90% of the market share in nuclear power and 70% in thermal power, and become the world's largest manufacturer of electrolytic chlorine production system. As the largest seawater desalination system provider in the nuclear power field, the company undertakes various projects that produce over 40% of the overall daily freshwater output, including the largest seawater desalination project with daily output of nearly 50,000 tons of fresh water. With more than 30 years of technical accumulation, the company has successfully launched drinking water disinfection equipment and marine platform sewage treatment equipment, and will continue to explore in the industry in the future. Since the beginning of the new century, relying on the electrolytic chlorine production technology, the company has followed international trend and conducted advanced research on the problems of harmful organisms and pathogens brought by ballast water discharge. As the first Chinese company that gained recognition of the International Maritime Organization, the first Asian company and the fourth company in the world that gained the USCG certificate, the first company that gained the approval certificates of 9 major classification societies, Sunrui has developed Balchlor Ship Ballast Water Management System with advanced and competitive technology, formulated the first national and international standards in the field of ballast water, and played an important role in the industry. At present, 80% of the company orders are from overseas clients, and the company is ranking first in world's medium and large ships markets. With continuous promotion of the carbon reduction strategy, Sunrui is proactively investing in electrolytic hydrogen production technology, injecting new momentum to the company's green development and leading low-carbon transformation of the industry. In recent years, Sunrui has been deeply engaged in the marine environmental protection sector based on the multi-dimensional upgrades of vessel exhaust gas reduction technology. The company has launched a comprehensive solution for vessel exhaust gas, including desulfurization, denitrification, and decarbonization, establishing a new flagship for industry development. Among these, the carbon capture system is based on independently developed green and efficient absorbents, forming a multi-solutions for different types of vessel. Sunrui closely follows international clean energy development trends, keenly captures diversified market demands. Relying on the strong technical team, the company has meticulously built integrated solutions for ship clean fuel supply technologies that covers all technical routes, including the gas-link LNG, ammonia, and methanol fuel supply systems with independent intellectual property rights. To comprehensively optimize system performance, Sunrui has taken the lead in establishing the first domestic simulation platform and the first land-based test facility, maintaining a continuous lead in process design standards. At present, Sunrui is ranking first in the domestic market and maintaining a prominent global position. The company has also secured the world's first large-scale ammonia dual-fuel supply system orders to highlight its leadership role in the industry. Leading innovation and refined craftsmanship. Sunrui keeps making innovative development and bringing together top international R&D talents in the industry. Relying on the National Key Laboratory of Marine Corrosion and Protection, the National Enterprise Technology Center, and the deep-sea test stations in Qingdao, Xiamen, and Sanya, the company is spending efforts to enhance its core competitiveness, making new overall plans for its environmental protection business, constantly having R&D of new products and new technologies, and actively promoting the optimization and upgrade of its technical products. The company has successfully been awarded with more than 40 national, provincial, and ministerial science and technology awards, including the first prize of the National Science and Technology Progress Award, the National Quality Engineering Gold Award, and the Science and Technology Progress Award of Shandong Province, and gained the certifications of more than 300 patents. Gathering advantageous resources in the world, Sunrui has established the world-leading intelligent manufacturing bases both in Qingdao and Xiamen, strengthened the production capabilities, leading the new paths of industrial intelligence and digitalization. The Advanced Database Operations Center has integrated quality control with production management through the whole process to complete the deep integration of the whole value chain of the industry. To pursue the dream of times, Sunrui has made a comprehensive layout to provide customers with efficient global services. The company has established 5 after-sales service centers, 5 spare parts warehouses, and 3 training centers around the world, covering more than 30 countries and 100 ports globally. The company has built the world's first digital service platform, which empowers its service quality with digital technology and provides customers with 24/7 services. Building the dream with one heart, looking forward to the future together. As an industrial leader in the field of marine environmental protection, Sunrui has overcome the historical barriers, oriented with market demands, plan for diversified industrial development through sincere cooperation, and aim to reveal the charm of China's intelligent manufacturing to the world. Forging ahead and innovating for changes, Sunrui is making efforts to build the harmonious coexistence between the industrial civilization and marine ecology, and creating a new chapter of the era together with global partners.